How to trim a bush. Shrubbery is an important part of a healthy and attractive lawn. Keeping that shrubbery maintained is part of an attractive lawn appearance. Though it can be time-consuming, you must make sure you trim your bush or shrubbery with a good technique and a dependable pair of shears. Buy a pair of shears with comfortable grips and long enough to reach into the center of your bush. For detailed work, you want to be able to reach into even tight spots to make certain the bush adheres to symmetry. Trim along the top of your bush at first, making sure it is level all the way across. You may occasionally need to take a few steps back to make sure you've maintained a good line. Work around the edges, taking off no more than 3 to 4 inches per pass. If more bush than that must be trimmed, you can come around a second time, making sure you keep from cutting unevenly. Collect your bush trimmings and place them in a proper garbage bag for disposal. Leaving clippings on your lawn destroys the manicured effect you have just achieved. Make a note of when you have trimmed your bush so that you can set up a regular grooming schedule. Every 2 weeks during the summer months should be sufficient, depending on the amount of sunlight and rain. Shape your bush only if you have experience with advanced topiaries. Trying to turn your bush into a sculpture without the proper training only leads to a vegetable monstrosity.